Hi you guys, it's Emily from Cosita Boutique. So I got some really good feedback on my last hair curl tutorial and people asked for another tutorial. So you guys are testing me because I only have but one or two hairstyles in my repertoire. But this is another really good one that I posted about earlier, which will give you the sexiest, most voluminous curly hair ever, like pageant worthy. So gorgeous. So it's really using the old trick, which is your grandmama's hot rollers, rolos. But they work so well. So I don't know, it's not the most glamorous when you're doing it, but it works so well and you'll love the results. So let me show you how to do it. I'm actually rushing out to go to a shoot, so let me see if I can get it done quickly and you can see how I do it. So here you go. All right. So I have just air dried my hair. Washed and air dried, actually yesterday, but anyway, so this is just how it looks naturally, and I'm just going to throw the hot rollers into my hair. You do not have to be too precious about this, and honestly, it turns out looking so nice, so let me show you how I do it. Alright, hold on 1 second, time myself. Alright, so, like I said, I just air dried it. Brushed it out, and I like to start with the top, and I have really long hair, so it's a little bit tricky actually, but if I can do it, you can do it. You'll see my form is not perfection, but the results turn out really nice, so just bear with me. Alright, so I'm rolling. These are ceramic rollers. And I'm just using these little clippies that come with the set. I'll link below what set I used. I've had the set forever, and I mean, it's a good investment. I think it was like 35 bucks or 40 bucks or something. And it'll go forever. If you want to be fancy, ladies, and you want your hair to stay really well, which I actually kind of do for today because I'm doing a shoot outside and it's rainy, what you can do is spritz. Like, really, the more hairspray, the better for this look. Sorry, it was in layer. But anyway, for your hair, it's good. So, woo, it's like test. This is so ridiculous. This can't be the right way. But anyway, it's my way, and it works. So, it's like my arms almost aren't long enough, but my hair is super long. And I just got it cut, so you can only imagine before. So literally, I just take this, and then from the back, you can see I just kind of go flip it in. And it's cooperating today. Sometimes it doesn't work that well. You can kind of play around with it. I do like to kind of brush it through before I put the roller in. Little spritz. But yeah, takes a little concentration, but the results are worth it. But I was saying, sometimes don't be hard on yourself. If the rollers just don't stay, like I have days where, I don't know, I don't have coffee or what, but the rollers just don't stay and I have to do it a million times. It's super annoying, but whatever. It all comes together. And this is a really forgiving hairstyle. You can see I'm just doing the side bits now. You can really do it in a rush like I'm doing right now. And you can make mistakes. And somehow it just always turns out looking nice. So I think maybe some people are kind of intimidated to do their hair this way. But if you watch like the behind the scenes from all the runway shows, which I do, like Victoria's Secret and everything like that, not saying they do it exactly this way, but you'll see the girls always have their hair in rollers like this. I think they blow it out and then set it in rollers, which, oof, ain't nobody got time for that. So I definitely do not do that. But this kind of achieves the same results, and it's quicker. And everyone's in a rush, so going to work and et cetera, et cetera. And you can see I'm spraying some bits, I'm not spraying some bits. You know, whatever, just so cute. you know, if you forget to spray, spray some more. It's that kind of a look. It's just, the more hairspray, the better. It'll stay longer. Especially if you have a commute. I don't know if you ladies have a commute, but I find that whatever I do with my hair, it's humid. I live in DC, and if I do my hair and then ride the metro or something, it's like I get to the office and it's all for nothing. It's crazy. So I almost like doing the gym at my building, and I like doing my hair in the morning, like at the gym. That works the best. But this is a pretty good hairstyle in terms of durability. I find the trick to it, honestly, is once you do it, don't mess around with it. Like, don't comb it out. It's gonna fall out naturally, especially me. I have really thick hair. So don't, you know, it'll be real curly when you take it out, but don't mess around with it a lot, like finger combing it and, you know, brushing it out, because it's gonna fall out on its own. And then a little bit later in the day, you're gonna have really pretty loose curls and just really lovely, kind of what we all wish our hair naturally looked like. I woke up like this, but nobody does. But it's like, you know, really cute and a natural look. See, this one's falling, so I failed at that. But, you know, just pop it back in, whatever. So I didn't really explain super well, but all you're doing is just obviously going to the end of your hair, whoop, rolling it up, and I don't know if this is the right technique. This is just what I do, but it works. You'll see. Give another little spray because I'm going to slacken with the spray a little bit. Okay. And back bits. See how we're doing on time, just out of curiosity. Woo, pretty good. This does take, I mean, you can do it quickly. It's not the quickest, but it looks really nice. So if you're looking for a little extra wow factor in your day, you just want to have a great hair day, we're still going to get this done in under 10 minutes, like way under 10 minutes, and it's worth it. Nothing like a good hair day, right? Okay, so just a few more sections to go. I guess I'm thinking about 2-inch sections or so. Rinse it up. This set comes with different sized rollers, and so I usually start with the bigger ones and then go to the smaller ones. I actually like the look of the bigger ones more, just in terms of the curl it gives you, but it doesn't really matter. But I like having those curls near my face where it's obvious. And then these are kind of the bottom layers, so it doesn't matter if the curls are a bit tighter. And this is such an old school way to do your hair, but hey, if it ain't broke, you know, don't fix it. I used to live in Spain, and Spanish women are so chic, just like impossibly well put together. And I would see ladies, you know, moms, always with like this perfectly coiffed, but in a really good way. Like it just looked really elegant, just really gorgeous curled hair. But I'm sure, oops, lost one. I'm sure they were using hot rollers. So, you know, goals with the Spanish ladies and their hair. It's really nice. So who cares, you know, if it's kind of old school. I like old school anyway. Just wait till you see how it looks, though. It is so cute when you take it out. Not so cute in the meantime. When you take it out, it's super cute. Okay. All right, we are almost done. 2 more little pieces. pieces. And you know, this sets your hair really well. So some people say, oh, this is great because you can do your makeup while the rollers are setting. Personally, I don't recommend that because I find that, sorry, I gotta get my clip. I find that if you give it even an extra, I like how it sets up just in the time it takes to put all the rollers in, and then I immediately take them out, you'll see. But if you leave it in even another 10 minutes, I find that I get ringlets, like straight up Shirley Temple style, which is fine for Shirley Temple, but not if you're a grown woman. It's just too much. You see, like sometimes you kind of have to wrangle with these, but they'll get in there. Okay, that's the last one. And then we are going to, my favorite part, just spritz the whole thing like we didn't have enough hairspray already. Listen, it is humid, so it's necessary. Okay, so cute. So ridiculous looking. Okay, so now we're gonna go in, take them out in the order, pretty much in the order we started, and you're gonna see we're gonna get the prettiest curls ever. I mean, just wait for it. Ooh, I'm already feeling fancy. See that? So cute. Look at that. It's like, well, I shouldn't say pretty woman style, but you know what I mean. When she gets her makeover, and then her hair is like really good, and everything's really good, and she's just gorgeous. Doesn't that give you a little bit of little Julia Roberts? Oh yeah. Who couldn't use a little bit of that on a daily basis? Okay, here we go. Let me pop out the rest of these. Prepare to be impressed, y'all. Here we go. All right. Ooh, ooh. This one. See what I mean that this is a forgiving hairstyle? I mean, you don't have to put it in perfectly. Your form doesn't have to be perfect. You just kind of throw it together, and it looks good at the end. Real good. Ooh, this is the best. I mean, honestly, I don't know why everybody isn't doing their hair this way. It looks that good. I know it's old-fashioned, like I keep saying. It is, but when you see how it looks, you'll be like, oh, girl, that looks good. Okay, here we go. All right, excuse my faces. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Almost there. Oh, this does take a little bit longer than curling your hair with a curling iron, my other video, but when you see the results, it's so worth it. Okay, so I got everything out. Ooh, and honestly, like I said, do not mess with it too much. Like, just trust me. I would do an upside down hair flip. Some spritz. And voila! Isn't that cute? And I feel like this is a very business appropriate look too. Just good for a day. You can work with your part. If your part's not there, I just kind of like to just do it wherever my part falls. But so you can play around with it, and it'll be pretty. If you wanted to pin some of it back too, it's just the best. And you're just gonna have just awesome body and volume. And like I said, it'll relax a little bit. It already looks really cute. Look at that. Woo! Feeling myself. Isn't that great? Do this and you'll be doing this too. You'll be like, ooh. Ooh. Okay, that's enough. Hope you enjoyed, everybody. Go get you some hot rollers. They are the best. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye.